I step back from the frame I made, let the edges start to fade, pieces move in a wider scheme, more than what my eyes once deemed. Logic softens, heart stays near. What connects becomes more clear. Every moment shapes the next, a living code I learn to sense. I see the pattern as it grows, beyond the lines my thinking chose. When mind and heart begin to align, afar the vision meets this time. Not defending what I know, letting deeper insight show. Differences dissolve to one, a single truth through everyone. I see the pattern as it grows, where future seeds already sown. In quiet sight I start to find the greater design behind the everything is well.